WION Broadband Olympic Edition, partnered by Kia Sonet. Wild by design. Get ready for a new level of wild. PokerStars, India's home of online poker.
Joydeep, while Gagan had won all the big medals, so to say, heading into those London Games, for you, I got a feeling that that the Indian sporting ecosystem at that time only backed the established champions. For you, it was a struggle even to get there.
See, it was definitely a lot of struggle even before I joined the Indian team. But I think that's a part and parcel of any athlete's journey. I'm sure that Gagan might have gone through all these, maybe a little different in different ways. I think everybody has gone through it. So I don't think it's out of the box to face any difficulties in any athletic career. But when I went into the system, I thought, yeah, there was a lot of support from many people, and definitely things opened up for me. It was not then. Of course, nowadays I would say it's much more, welcoming for the shooters. Much supporting system is there. Yeah, it was a little less, but I think that is how it is.
Let's be fair, you were a very happy-go-lucky chap and everyone sort of thought that you were an Olympic tourist, you were going to have fun and nobody gave you a chance in hell. When did you start perhaps believing that you can do some serious damage at the Olympics?
Honestly speaking, when I got to know about the news that I'm going to Olympics, I think you were one of the first to inform me, in fact, about, I think in February 2012. I knew somehow that I might make an impact. When I met my coach first, I think in London, not during the Olympics, I think 2 or 3 months before Olympics, he told me that our target will be to place you in the 50% of the higher group. Maybe there were 56 starts, I don't remember. So you'll be somewhere around 27 or 28th position will be good enough for you. But that day, I knew that I'm going to break his, game as well. I want to be definitely inside the top bracket of maybe 10 or something like that. Of course, I was not looking or not going for a medal. And in any competition, rather to say, actually, I don't go for medals. I always wanted to give my best. It is not about what I get, but it was all about what I give.
And Gagan, isn't that the beauty of the Olympic Games? That, there is athletics, there is swimming with the sort of medal favorite before the Olympics, and they go in and usually they're the one who win the medals. But the beauty of the Olympics, especially in your sport, and you had seen the varied nature of your sport, which is such a fickle sport, where even one shot can see you suddenly go from nowhere right to the top or make you crash down. And we've seen it at the Olympics itself with Matthew Emmons in 2004 and 2008 itself.
Everybody thought that Joydeep was someone that was not serious, but believe me, he was probably more serious than anyone else. And like he said, the conviction that he had in him was, externally, that's the beauty of him. He is always joyful, like his name, and very cheerful. So it kind of misleads you in thinking that you're not serious. And same goes with me because that's the notion that everyone had, that Gagan and Joydeep are probably not serious. And you yourself know that going into the Olympics in London, me and Joydeep were not the favorites. There were other favorites because of me not performing in Beijing, and Joydeep coming in last moment, had a couple of months only to prepare for it. So we were not the favorite. It's only after I was in the finals that I became everyone's favorite. It was his experience and the grey hair that he has that kind of put him in the right seat in the London Olympics. And of course, like I said, fourth position is the worst position ever to be in. And I can only imagine what he must have gone through, because na to aap jeette ho aur na hi aap bahut dur ho. So it looks like an excuse. So it always hurts. But from someone whose coach believed that he would finish 27th, to prove him wrong, to prove all of us that yes, someone in prone can also go into an Olympic final, I think definitely was a motivation to a lot of prone shooters.
I have come definitely with terms with the situation, and I think I was not destined to be even in the fifth position. Maybe I was destined to be in the fourth position. And yeah, though you don't win a medal there, but you don't lose heart as well. You get to learn a lot of things, but you know, in reality, what happens is that when you see others getting the medal, and then you realize what you have missed. It is an Olympic medal. Like I mentioned that you slip from the first position to the second position. You slip from the second to the third. But when it comes to the third to fourth position, you actually fall off a cliff. It is an abysmal cliff. The affection, the respect, and the love I got from everybody, even after not winning a medal, I think that was very special.
WION Broadband Olympic Edition, partnered by Kia Sonet, Wild by Design. Get ready for a new level of wild. PokerStars, India's home of online poker.